this is Emily Pearson, and today I'm going to be doing a series on bird hunting. So to help you guys know how to hunt with survival skills, and I believe there is a bird right over here, because it just flew here right now. It's about to be killed. He's not over here, but we have to keep looking. Before I show you guys anything, I want to show you guys my tracks. Here's our first trap. I'll show you how it works. So first, a little bird could come in here.
Wait, let me get a good angle on it.
So first, a little bird could come in here and he could be like, oh, I want to eat this seed. And then he gets crushed. And then I also have one more. But that one, oh wait guys, there's a bird over there.
Wait, let me zoom in on it.
Missed.
Did you shoot it?
I tried to. That's kind of hard to know. You guys are wondering if this is like a new gun. Oh, I just took the front off. Okay. And also, this is my spearing stick. It's sharp on both sides. So let's see if we can find one more. One down there, but I don't know if we're gonna go all the way down there. Let's see. Remember, guys, let's just get on the set. Because we're on our way to 18 right now.
Oh, where?
What?
Where are you going?
What?
Where are you going?
We're on our way to 20 subscribers. Because we're at 18 right now. So shout out to Gavin and Ayden because they're the ones who started bird hunting. We also have bow and arrows, but not arrows because they're put it back. It's hard to shoot a bird. Now, if you come along this way, you can see that there's a bird that's mine is left.
I think it left.
Oh yeah. But while we're here, come on, get with me. While we're over here.
Fail.
I've gone on here a few times, but then it starts to get wobbly, so I stopped going on there. But I climb on this tree all the time. This is where I store all of my sticks. Killing. I don't just go after birds. I go after rabbits and squirrels too.
What about possums?
I never seen a possum. I mean, I have in my friend's house, but I never seen one in here.
Skunks?
No. I mean, saw a skunk at the farm. But anyway. Let's keep looking. If you guys see one in the comments, I might see. If you guys see one that I missed, make sure to tell me in the comments. Oh, that's my friend's yard. I can't go in there. Let's check back on our traps. Oh yeah. And there's also another trap right over here. This one has bait. For this one, I put a rock up here. This one will hurt the bird more. Because this one will come in and crush it.
Is that a tortilla chip?
Yeah. No luck yet.
Excuse me.
Let's go check on it. Oh yeah, I still have to fix this trap. And also, if you guys want to bird hunt yourself, I'll show you how to put together this trap. Well, we come over here. So what you want to do, first, you want to dig the stick into the ground. Then you place it. You have to make sure it's sturdy. Like just like that. And you don't want too big of a rock because that might smash your stick. You just want to... Oh, right. So, what I'm saying... Any birds over here? There's a bird's nest in there. That's where we get most of our luck. Nothing. I think we might have to end the episode here. So like and subscribe, and I'll see you. Bye!
How do I turn it off?
You press the red button.